Here we have a room that someone decided to put strips on all the way around the whole room. Nailed them in really good. I've removed almost all of them. We're down to the last set here. And when they nailed them in, pulling the nails out, pulling the strips out, oh, they put paneling over top. So they went over the window moldings and then they went to this, is what they did. And they ripped off the corners because they weren't the same height. So they just ripped them right off. They also cut into the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. They cut into the molding there. So what I'm doing is removing these using a piece of wood block behind my Wonder Bar and pulling them off, but you can see the damage is heavy, really crushing the wall in many places. I don't know if you can see that. These will be easy to fix, but then we got problems like right here where it's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's ripped off like a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch layer of the wall. So it's going to be real interesting to see how I may need to look into plastering, or I don't know what I'm going to do, joint compound, but I think even one place here it ripped the board off. I don't know if you can see that. So that's where we're at, and we'll update this progress. This will be much later on, but for right now we're insulating. Dave's filling the holes by hand. I know it's old school, but it works, and we didn't really have the time to go and get the machine. It's very heavy, and we weren't ready to do everything. When you really do that, you want to do the whole house or multiple rooms. So we're doing a little bit at a time, piecemeal. But right now, I'm getting the strips off.